Hi guys, happy Tuesday. So this week we are reading a book called The Amazing Amazon. So just by looking at the front cover, what can you conclude? Is this going to be fiction or nonfiction? You're right, guys. This is going to be nonfiction. Okay, we are going to learn about the Amazon this week. So the focus question that I want us to keep in mind as we're reading through the week is, what makes the Amazon a unique habitat? So let's look at the different pictures, okay? So we see that there are actual photographs of animals that live in the Amazon rainforest. We also notice that it has a table of contents and it lists the chapters of this book. They even give you a note. Rainforest can be spelled in two ways. You can spell it rainforest or rainforest. So you can actually have a space between the words. We will use the one word. So this is how we're going to see it in the book as rainforest. And this book uses the word rainforest. It means tropical rainforest. So we're going to learn about the tropicals. Okay. So we also notice that they're giving us a diagram of a map. There's a key and it shows you where the rainforests are. Okay, here's another photograph of the rainforest. You have photographs, you have a map, you have captions. You're also going to be given different pictures of animals that live in the rainforest. We have the rainforest layers. So this is the layers of the rainforest. You have the emergent layer. You have the canopy layer, the understory layer, and then you have the rainforest floor. Okay, as you keep going, you notice that it keeps showing different photographs. Let's go back to the beginning and let's review the vocabulary words. So we have ranges. Okay, so let me click on... No, let me see. We'll do yellow. Actually, so we have the word ranges. We have, as we keep going, okay, I don't see any there. Oops. We have talents, unsuspecting. We have epiphytes, territories, prehensile. Okay, now let's look at, so as we keep going, we still see that there's a lot of photographs, okay? So let's go to our Google Slides. So the Amazing Amazon. So we're also going to review context clues. Okay, remember context clues is what a good reader uses so that you are able to understanding the meaning of the content and understand words that we're not sure of and pictures that will help us. Okay, so let's look at our vocabulary words. Carbon dioxide is an invisible gas. Okay, epiphytes, plants that grow on top of other plants instead of being rooted in soil and get their nutrients from the air and rain. Ferns are leafy plants without flowers or seeds. Fungi, plural form of fungus, a living thing that grows on organic material and produces spores. Nutritious, containing nutrients needed for life and growth. Peccaries, nocturnal pig-like mammals found in the Americas. Prehensile, able to hold or pick up things. Ranges, changes within set limits. Species, a group of living things that are physical, similar, and can reproduce. Talons, claws on the feet of birds such as owls, hawks, and eagles. Territories, areas of land or water. that animals or group of animals defend and live in, unsuspecting, unaware of potential danger. So, again, our focus question, what makes the Amazon a unique habitat? Okay, for Tuesday, and remember guys, this is a short week. So for Tuesday, I need you to please read pages. I am assigning you 7 pages to read for today. So please read pages 5 through 11. Okay, you're also going to click on here. It's going to take you to your Google Forms. You're going to put your first and last name. You're going to click on the drop down box and choose your teacher's name. And then you're going to complete the sentence. So you're going to read the sentence and choose the best homophone that would make the sentence complete. Okay, when you are done, don't forget to submit. Okay, guys, I will also be attaching the book so that you are able to read and have the book with you for all the questions. Okay, guys, happy Tuesday. Enjoy.